Dang, so the car is in the shop and there's a lot of damage done to it. Sheesh.
What up, squad? Right back with another video. This video is a sad video for me, unfortunate video for me. Kind of hurts my heart to even have to talk about this, but let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So as you know, or may not know, the Hellcat is down. The Hellcat is down bad. The whole rear end is like pretty much shot. It's gone. And I know you're probably asking a question like, dang, that's a new 2021 Redeye Hellcat. Like, how could it be? Yeah, you haven't had it that long. Well, I think some parts on it malfunction, or were defective, the bolts. And one issue caused another issue, which caused another issue and another issue, and it caused the whole rear end to pretty much needed to be replaced. Now, I got an update on it. I dropped the car off on Monday. Got an update on Friday that the drive shaft, struts, not the struts, sorry, drive shaft. I'm thinking about parts that's coming in for me to put on the car. We're talking about the drive shaft. We have the diff, the axles. We have, what else? Drive shaft, diff, axles. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, the complete rear end of the car is shot. It took a poop. And I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering, like, well, how can this even be possible? Well, what I think is, and this is why I say that some of the parts may have been faulty or defective, using launch control, launching the car, I think, caused the issue. There was a time where I launched the car and the check engine light did come on, but then it went away like a day later. As I made an appointment to go to the dealership, the check engine light went off. Another time I launched the car, the check engine light came on, and then a day later it went away, or the same day it went away. So I'm like, something's odd with this. And then one day I used the line lock, and the check engine light came on, and the car cut off. And I'm like, what the hell's going on? So I'm thinking in my head, like, hold on, there might be a pattern here. So the check engine light came on, and within 2 hours, it came off. So obviously, you can't take your car to the dealership without a check engine light. That's not telling them what's the problem. And if I can't isolate the problem for them to look, that's another reason as to why it's impossible to have them look at it. They're just going to be like, hey, everything looks good, and they're going to give you your car back. Well, that's not the case for me. After that, it's kind of like disturbing a little bit, because I'm kind of really wondering what the dealership's going to do, and what decision and what route they're going to take. But yeah, so, I'll drop a clip and probably just show you guys the damage. Here's the damage.
Dang, so the car is in the shop and there's a lot of damage done to it. Sheesh. So what they said was the diff casing, the axle, somehow it pulled out of the frame, the axles, the drive shaft, and the exhaust needs work done to it.
So now that you see the damage of the car, like I said, it's completely like bad, torn up. It just really, it hurts my heart to see the car down like that. It hurts my heart that I gotta pay for a car that's down. Well, it hurts my pockets. But anyway, you know, it is what it is. That's what comes with this, man. And I just wanted to give y'all this quick little video showing y'all exactly what's going on. And if you're watching this video and you've gotten this far, please comment below. If you've ever had a car, it doesn't have to be an SRT, it doesn't have to be Dodge, it can be Ford, it can be Chevy, whatever. If you have ever had a car that has taken a crap on you out of nowhere from using the functions that's built in the car, you guys let me know, man. Leave those comments below. And always, man, turn up for your boy Redeye Ride, man, because this series is going to be crazy. I think the next video we're going to talk more about warranty and what's the definition of warranty and how warranty is supposed to actually come into play, you know, when things like this happen, and the perspective that the dealership takes on that warranty. But that's going to be in another video. Like I said, just stay tuned. I'm bringing you guys on this journey with me. This series is going to be crazy. I hope you guys like watch it from beginning to end. We're going to see what the outcome is, and obviously we're going to make it work, man. We're going to do the best that we can. I'm going to do the best that I can to make sure that, you know, the goal is to come out of pocket $0, right? That's the goal. And we're gonna work out. I'm gonna work my butt towards getting that happen. So yeah, like I said, the car is down. And sheesh, you know, it hurts my heart. I know a lot of people that follow me, you know, they hit me up like, hey man, what the heck is going on? Why would you, you know? And then the people that love the brand, right, that love these Hellcats is like, I would never like even use that mode. Oh dude, that's what the car's for. They built it for that. So I'm going to use it for what it is, you know, and things like that. So without getting too much into all the other stuff, I'm going to go ahead, end this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bells on. And if you support me, man, just give me a thumbs up. If you ain't got nothing to put in the comments, give me a thumbs up. Give me a little heart. Give me something, man, so I know that you guys rock with me the long way, man. And like I said, I got some crazy bangers coming to you. Banger after banger after banger. And this series right here is going to be very educational. So if anything, share the video with your friends and family that is running into these issues, that's going to run into these issues. And I am going to break down exactly what to do, what not to do, how to do it, just to make sure that you're good in the end when things like this happen. Until next time, guys, peace out.